Hello, my name is Emma. Today is a special day. It is my birthday. I wake up early. The sun is bright. The birds sing outside my window. I smile. I feel happy. I go to the kitchen. My mom is there. She smiles at me. "Good morning, Emma. Happy birthday," she says. I hug my mom. She gives me a big kiss. She makes pancakes for breakfast. I love pancakes. I eat my pancakes with honey. They are sweet and delicious. After breakfast, my dad comes home. He has a big box. It is a present. I am excited. "Open it, Emma," my dad says. I open the box. Inside, there is a pink dress. It is beautiful. I love pink. "Thank you, Dad," I say. I hug him. He smiles. My little brother Jake comes to me. "Emma, I have a gift for you too," he says. He gives me a small box. I open it. Inside there is a bracelet with hearts. It is very pretty. "Thank you, Jake," I say. I hug him. He laughs. Later, my friends come to my house. We have a party. We play games. We dance. And we eat cake. The cake is chocolate. It is my favorite. My friends sing, "Happy birthday to you, Emma." I feel very happy. I make a wish and blow out the candles. Today is a special day. I have my family. I have my friends. I feel loved. Thank you for listening to my story. See you next time. Bye.